Hi, it's Sean with LUX Landscape Lighting. In the past number of years, it's become real popular for outdoor living areas. You might have your TV outside and you got your swimming pool and your cabana, and you're spending a lot of time outside. But what you might not have that you can enjoy inside your house is a nice audio system. So when you're watching that TV out there in your cabana and you're listening to the little speakers on the TV, it's just not quite as impressive as your surround sound in your house. Or you're entertaining and you like to listen to music. So what do? You pop up the old Bluetooth speaker, you bring out an old boom box and you listen to that tinny music, and it just doesn't quite provide the atmosphere you're used to, especially the kind of sounds you might have inside your house. Well, we have a solution for that. We have outdoor audio systems. And not that these are anything new, they've been around for a while, but we have one particular brand that has a very stunning sound to it. It is high quality. It produces the sounds like a very high quality indoor surround sound system. Got the deep basses, nice thumping bass with nice tenor sounds, and the high pitches. Just covers the whole audio range. And it's like being at a concert in your backyard. So now imagine watching that TV show and you can actually feel the giant dinosaur's footsteps vibrate your gazebo. Or you're listening to that beautiful orchestra music or whatever kind of music you like, and it sounds like you're right there at the concert. So if you're interested in some high quality outdoor sound to really take your entertainment area over the top, give us a call. We'd love to come out and do a free demo of our audio system.